can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Why is Ethereum price underperforming compared to the wider crypto market? That's the question on the lips of a lot of crypto investors and traders. Ethereum currently trades around $2,400. Ethereum is currently up 1% over the last 1 month. There's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market. And in this video, we'll take a look at the Ethereum US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. How low can Ethereum go if we continue seeing a dump to gobbling town in the cryptocurrency market? Are we going to get that relief rally? Let's get down to business. Ethereum got to a bottom in this bear market, in the previous bear market in June 2022. We saw Ethereum trading around $871. And ever since then, Ethereum has been rallying to higher prices. Ever since then, we've seen the Ethereum merge happen. And we have seen Ethereum ETF also getting launched. I've seen Ethereum get from as low as $871, getting to as high as $4,100, rallying up by more than 370%. But it doesn't feel like Ethereum has rallied 370% in this cycle because, guys, Ethereum holders have been used to seeing exponential gains while holding Ethereum. Back in 2017, they saw a huge pump to the moon from October 2015 when Ethereum was trading at $0.41. They saw a huge pump in their investment. Ethereum rallied all the way to $1,400, giving them more than a 3,430 return investment, 30% investment in just 812 days. To conceptualize what I just said, guys, a $1,000 invested in Ethereum would have given you over $3.4 million. That's how crazy things went in 2017. And then we had a big bear market for Ethereum where Ethereum lost huge in that bear market, losing 94% of its value. But then Ethereum came back strong. We saw Ethereum rallying back to all-time highs again in the 2021 bull run. This time, Ethereum went from $79.9, rallying all the way up to $4,779. So Ethereum rallied up by more than 5,800%, which was a 58x return, which meant the $1,000 invested at the bottom of the bear market in 2018 would have returned over $58,000 by November of 2021. And just as the cycle continues, we saw Ethereum going through another bear market, but this time the fall was not as brutal as we saw in 2018 where Ethereum dumped by 91%. This time the fall was minimal. Ethereum dumped by only 82%. It took 210 days, way less time than the previous bear market. And then something fundamental happened. This is very important, guys, for you to understand. And this is why a lot of people think Ethereum is underperforming comparing to the rest of the crypto market. In June of 2022, when the whole market went to gobbling down, we saw the crypto market dumping. Ethereum went from $3,500 where it was trading in March of 2022. We had a fundamental crash where we saw Ethereum losing 75% of its value in 77 days. Ethereum went from $3,500 to $880. Ethereum was one of the biggest losers. For comparison, let's take a look at what Bitcoin did in that same time frame. We saw Bitcoin going from $48,000 to as low as $17,000. Bitcoin lost only 63% of its value. Now, we saw Ethereum not setting a new low in November 2022. After Ethereum had a huge pump that went into the merge, we saw Ethereum, a hype for Ethereum merge. Ethereum rallied up by 129% in 63 days, getting to as high as $2,000. And when the second leg of the dump came, or the final leg of the dump that saw Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market setting new lows, Ethereum held very strong, dumping by only 49%, and this time finding support around the $1,000 level. For context sake, Bitcoin went from $25,000 down to as low as $15,000, setting a new low, dumping by more than 39%. So from that perspective, Ethereum was outperforming Bitcoin, and that's why if you calculate from the bottom of the bear market for Bitcoin to the top, it feels as if Bitcoin has been outperforming Ethereum by a lot. We've seen Bitcoin go from $15,500 to $73,700, a 375% rally. But at the same time, from Ethereum's bottom, if you're not calculating from November 2022, if you're calculating from the actual bottom on the chart, which was the 13th of June 2022 for Ethereum at $881, you will notice that Ethereum has also given us a 365% pump. And I don't believe Ethereum is getting to new all-time highs, guys. I'm one of those bearish people in the market that believes we're already in a bear market. I believe the bull market ended for Ethereum when it got to $4,100. And I believe right now we're currently undergoing distribution that might lead us further down to Goblin Town. Ethereum is down more than 40+% from its all-time high, or from the high we got to during this cycle. This cycle we got to as high as $4,147, and we've seen Ethereum after getting there dumping to as low as $2,100. That happened on the 5th of August 2024. But it's not all doom and gloom, guys. I expect us to have a bounce or a rally that will take Ethereum maybe to as high as 3,200, 3,400. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum hit those price points. And in this short period of time, I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum outperform the market. I've realized over my few years in crypto that anytime you're seeing a huge news article talking about bad about a coin, talking down on the coin, that's usually a reverse signal. So if you saw reading this article as why is Ethereum price underperforming compared to the wider crypto market, my brain is saying it as why Ethereum price is going to outperform compared to the wider crypto market. So you want to do the opposite of what other market participants are doing. So and I believe we're going to see that little pump. This is what I believe is happening for Ethereum. We've seen Ethereum have a crazy bear market that was not usual for us, and I believe the reason why it was usual, it was an A wave. If you're familiar with Elliott wave, after we have wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we have corrective waves A, B, C to reset us for another cycle. And I believe since 2021, the wider crypto market, Ethereum included, has been undergoing correction. We've seen Ethereum go from $4,800 dumping to as low as $880, and we've also seen it rally from $880 back to around $4,100. And I believe the next and the final phase of the correction will see Ethereum going below $880. We might see Ethereum even getting to as low as $500. Usually wave C is very violent, and wave C usually erases all the gains we've made in wave B. So expect to see Ethereum breaking to new lows in the next 6 to 12 months. But before then, I'll not be shocked to see a relief rally that will get everybody hyper bullish, get the whole market going to grade one final time, rallying to as high as $3,500. That's what we saw Ethereum doing in 2022. We saw Ethereum in a very short period of time give us a pump that everybody expected. You know what? Maybe that bear market was over. Ethereum rallied up by 47% in 21 days. But guys, that was a signal of the big dump ahead. And in 2024, I believe there's one big dump ahead. I believe when the Fed cuts interest rate, we might get a final rally to the moon, and then boom, the big dump ahead is coming. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Tell me, how bearish are you on Ethereum? If you're bearish, if you're bullish, tell me how high you think Ethereum is going to go in the coming days and the coming weeks. Do you think it's possible to set new all-time highs? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.